In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mask a video or an image in Capcut PC. I think that's very useful. So as you can see right here, I just masked this video here. So now I can move, I can change, and here is just a circle now. I think it's pretty useful. So what you have to do to mask, select your video. You need to select your video. When you select your video, you should see this white highlight, and then what we have to do is just go to mask here, video and mask, and here we can select our mask. We have a split, we have flame spray, we have circle, rectangle, heart, and star. So I'm gonna use circle, and now I can move exactly what I want to mask, or and also have feather, and I can also rotate the mask and also change the position, but I can do it from here and it's much faster. I can also change the rotation from here. So I now like to add a mask for in this position, or at actually this portion of this video, and now I just click on basic, and now I just have this mask, and I can add this mask over this video, and now I have the mask. This can be your your video, like maybe it's a webcam for like you're playing a game, or you're just showing your face, and it's very useful to have this mark. If you want to add a mode, blending mode, not for this one, you can add a blend. This is gonna look not better or better, it depends on what type of effect you're looking for. If you want this type of effect for your editing, you can add, and it looks fine, it looks good. So yeah, I really hope guys you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.